Hello friends, this is a 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace your headlight, okay? Your headlight bulb, alright? So, before we get into it, remember, hit that subscribe button below so that we can keep on making these videos, alright? So, let's get to it. It's pretty simple. You're just going to need a 10 millimeter socket, or a wrench, whatever you got. So, what you want to do is that you're going to locate this bolt right here. It's a 10 millimeter. So we're going to go ahead and take it out. All right, just like that. Now this is kind of like a latch that's holding the headlight in place. So what you want to do is you're just going to pull this up. See, just like that, and leave it there, all right? All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and take the clips apart. You're gonna take these two clips right here. See, they just pops out, and then take this out. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this one as well. All right. Okay, with this popped out and this, now we're just gonna kind of pull the headlight forward. Okay, this latch is gotta be, there you go. See, it needed to be a little bit higher because this kind of holds it in place. See how it works? Okay, now once you get your headlight just like this, you're pretty much there. All right, now that you have your headlight out, you want to know that this one right here is going to be your high beam, and this is going to be your low beam, okay? High beam is going to be a HB3, and then low beam is going to be a HB4. So once you get it out like this, you're just going to kind of go counterclose like this, and they just pull out. See? Now at this point, what we want to do, just get your connector out and just replace it. Put the new light bulb and just reverse process. Okay? It goes like this, and you know, right it and to the right. There you go. Same thing here. Just go. See, you take the connector out. Just remember to plug it back and just reverse process right there. All right, very simple. Okay, now to put back the headlight in place, same thing. You just want to make sure that this stud right here goes through this plastic bushing here. So just go like this. And you want to notice here what holds is that this part, plastic part right there, goes through, and then this kind of goes down and hold it in place. See? Okay, there it is. Now down. That's it. Put your 10 millimeter. Put your plastic tabs back. And there you have it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, alright?